Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn about swipe actions in SwiftUI. Additionally, we will learn how to delete data from our database. Remember that we use SwiftData for data persistence. For those of you who haven't seen our previous videos building up our sample app, I will give a quick tour and show the code we have already written so that you can copy and follow along. If you want to start from the beginning, you can check out the video links below to deep dive into what we have built so far. We are building a vocabulary notebook app so that language learners can save their newly learned vocabulary into it. You can also add new words and edit existing ones. The app shows the list of words and their details. This is the main file of the app. Content view is the enter page of the app, and we use word list view in it. Word list view lists all the words we have saved in our database. Also, I use sample data in all of my previews to make working easier. I have an in-memory model container for the sample data, which inserts the word list every time the canvas refreshes. This is our model and the list of words that I use to insert into the sample data model context. If you want to build sample data for your previews, check out the link below. This is the word detail view. This is the form view, which I use to build both new word view and edit word view. To learn how to build reusable views in your project and avoid duplicating code, check out the video link below. This is the new word view, and this is the edit word view. Let's get started by adding swipe actions in our word list view to delete data and more. I want to place a swipe action on the right-hand side of the rows to add the delete feature. Let's write swipe actions just below the navigation link that builds clickable rows for our list of words. When you use trailing as an edge, it places the button on the right-hand side of the list item. Write a button with a trash label. By default, it places a gray button. If you give your button a destructive role, SwiftUI automatically changes the color of the button to red. You may prefer a text instead of a trash symbol on your button. I will continue with the symbols. To delete the word from our database, we use model context delete model, where model is the word. Paste the word in the row to delete it. See, we have deleted the word using swipe actions. Suppose that you have other features you want to introduce in swipe actions. You can place more than one button inside the swipe actions. You may use an image instead of labels. If you want to add animations to your icons here, check out the animations and colors video below for more details. Let's make it purple this time. You can add a third one as well. See, the buttons are located from right to left, in other words, from outside to inside. Now let's add swipe actions to the left side of the list item. Use leading as an edge to place the button on the left-hand side of the rows. You can add buttons and color them as you wish. When you swipe all the way to the other side of the row, swipe actions trigger the button. You may not want to use this feature and prefer a more controllable view. In this case, you can disable it by pressing false to allow full swipe as you see here. Suppose that you want to change the icon according to the state of a variable. For example, you may want to add a word to the favorites list or enable some kind of notification specific to the list item. In that case, you will have a variable defined in your model, but I will define a dummy state variable to demonstrate it as an example. Let's change the variable value to true or false, depending on the current value when we click the bell button. When the bell state is true, the icon displayed will be bell/fill, and when the bell state is false, we will see the bell fill icon on the button. Let's try it out. It's working perfectly. That's it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video if you found it helpful.